So welcome students. Today we will see exercise 7.3. So before going to that, so we will have some glance over this area of triangle. So area of triangle, actually we know that the basic formula for calculating the area of the triangle, that is area of triangle, can be calculated as half into base into altitude or height. Okay, this is the basic formula which we are using to calculate the area of the triangle in class length. So now in this class, so here if we know the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle, then how to find out the area of that triangle. So here this diagram indicates one triangle with vertices A, B and C and with coordinates as x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 respectively. Okay, so now we have drawn a perpendicular lines from B, A and C and they are represented as Q, P, R and respectively. So in the same way here also the lines have been drawn. Okay, so now we will see the area of the triangle. How to calculate means, see here we know the trapezium area, see here, because area of the trapezium means because all these lines are parallel, so the area of the trapezium can be easily calculated by sum of the two parallel lines and the distance between them. So here area of the triangle can be written as area of triangle can be written as here area of the trapezium, area of trapezium, here trapezium, which trapezium here, see here AB QP, so this one, this trapezium. Okay, this is trapezium. So area of trapezium ABQP, okay, plus this trapezium, that is APRC, so this whole, this trapezium. Okay, so area of trapezium, okay, trapezium, here APRC, okay, APRC minus, here minus, we have to subtract this area, that is BC, this one, BC, this one, this R and this B. This total area we have to subtract. Okay, so that you will get this area of triangle. So here minus the area of trapezium, here BQRC, okay, BQRC, as we know that the area of trapezium, how to calculate this one, is equal to half of sum of parallel sides into the distance between them. So area of triangle is equal to, so now area of trapezium ABQP, how to write AB, this is ABQP, so here what is, this is half, okay, sum of parallel side means this length plus this length. What is this length? This length is, see here, this is x2, this is y2, okay, y2 plus y1, okay, y2 plus y1 and the distance between them, this QP, how much this is QP, see here, from this to this is x1 and from this to this is x2, x1 minus x2, okay, so here x1 minus x2, so this is the area of trapezium ABQP. So in the same way we can substitute area of trapezium APRC, here APRC, so here this distance, that is how much it is, this is y1, okay, here also half of y1 plus, okay, this is y3, this is vertical side, okay, y1 plus y3 and into bracket, here distance between them means PR distance. This PR distance means, see, from this to this one it is x3, okay, this is x3 and here OP, this is what, here x1, okay, x3 minus x1 will be PR, that is x3 minus x1. So here minus, okay, this total, okay, minus the area of trapezium BQRC, so minus the area of trapezium BQRC, that is half of BQRC, this is BQRC. So here sum, this one this length is y2, this is y3, okay, y2 plus y3, and into bracket the distance between them. The distance between them means that is from Q to R. Here Q to R. Q means what? Here Q means this is x2, okay, this is x2, and this R means we know already x3, x3 minus x2, x3 minus x2, okay, this is trapezium area. Now we will simplify this one. So half, total half we will take common, okay, so here half and half. So here x1 y2, okay, x1 y2 minus x2 y2 plus x1 y1 minus x2 y1, okay, plus minus you should be very careful, plus x3 y1 minus x1 y1 plus x3 y3, okay, minus x1 y3. So here minus of, this is whole minus of, here y2 x3, okay, this total minus, so this will be like this. So minus y2 x3 and minus x2 y2 plus x3 y3 minus x2 y3, okay. So now here half total outside, if we take inside, then what happens? So this will be minus and this will become plus and this will become minus, okay, this will become plus, okay. So I will remove this one, okay. So now see here x1 y2 minus x1 y3, this is one term, and next here x2 term I will write, so minus x2 y1, so then x2 here x2 y3 plus x2 y3, okay, then x3 term x3 y1, then here minus x3 y2, okay, that's all. Now so now here we will write half of here x1 will take common, x1 into y2 minus y3, okay. So here I have written 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So this is area of triangle. So area of triangle, if we know the coordinates of the vertices of a triangle. So here x1 y1 x2 y2 and x3 y3, they are the coordinates of the triangles. Then this formula can be utilized. So this formula is very easy to remember. See here half, first we have to consider x coordinate, that is x1 if we consider, so remaining two coordinates, that is y portion, y2 minus y3 we have to write. So then x2, so here x3 we have to write, so x1 x2 x3, so here y2 remaining y2 y3 and here y3 and y1, so here then this is y1 minus y2, that's all. Now we will go for exercise. So here find the area of the triangle whose vertices are here 2 3 minus 1 0 2 minus 4. So here what he has given, x1 y1 is equal to 2 comma 3, okay, and x2 y2 like this is equal to minus 1 comma 0. So x3 y3 is equal to 2 comma minus 4, okay. So we know the area of triangle, okay, area of triangle is equal to, so half of, okay, this is x1 into y2 minus y3, okay, plus x2 into y3 minus y1, okay, plus x3 into y1 minus y2, okay. This values we will substitute. So half of this x1 is this one 2 into this y2 minus y3, that is 0 minus of minus 4, plus x2 means minus 1, here minus 1, then y3 means minus 4, okay, minus 4 minus of 3 y1, so plus x3 means 2 here, okay, here y1 is 3 and y2 is 0, 3 minus 0. Okay. So now we will simplify this one. 1 by 2 here 0 plus 4, that is 4 only. 4 into 2 8 minus here minus 4 minus 3 minus 7. Minus 7 into minus 1 plus 7. Okay. So then plus 2 into 3, that is 6. Okay. So half of here 8 7 15, 15 plus 6, that is 21. Here the area will be 21 by 2 square units. That's all. So now we will solve this one. So here this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, this is x3 y3. So here we will put formula. So second one, so area of triangle A is equal to half of, okay, see x1 is equal to minus 5 here. So here y2 minus y3, that is minus 5 minus 2, okay, plus x2, that is 3 into, okay, this is y3 minus y1, that is y3 means 2 minus y1 means minus of minus plus, this is 1. So here plus x3, this is 5 into y1 minus y2, that is minus 1 minus of minus 5, that is minus 1 plus 5. Okay. So this is equal to half of, so minus 5 here minus 7, so plus 3 into 3, so plus 5 into 4. Okay. So here half of 7 5 ja 35, that is plus 35, so plus 9 plus 5 4 ja 20. So here 29 30 64 by 2, which is equal to 32 square units. Okay, we'll go for next one. So here exercise 7.3, in that question number 2, in each of the following find the value of k for which the points are collinear. Here again the term collinear, that is collinear term means what it is. Here we have already seen that collinear nothing but all the points, that is point A, B and C, all the points are in a straight line. So they are lying in a one common straight line. Okay. So here by using this area of triangle, how to prove these are in collinear? The triangle is in this shape and here A, B, C, suppose if they are like this, so these points are not in collinear. So if they are collinear means they are not in triangle, that's all. So if the area of this triangle, if it becomes 0, area of the triangle becomes 0 means the points are lying on straight line. So here the area of this line, what? It is equal to 0. So hence we have to prove that these are, okay, these are the area of this one is equal to 0, so that all these 3 points lying in the same straight line. Okay. So area of the triangle, I will write once again here. Area is equal to, area of the triangle is equal to half of, here half of x1 into y2 minus y3, so plus x2 into y3 minus y1, so plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay, this is the formula. So now this area we will make it 0, so that all these 3 points are collinear, so that we can find out the value of k. So this 0 is equal to half of, so here x1 is nothing but 7, okay, y2 minus y3 means 1 minus k, so plus, see here x2 means 5, here y3 minus y1, that is k minus of minus 2, that is k plus 2, so plus x3, that is 3 into y1 minus y2 means minus 2 minus 1, minus 2 minus 1. So here 0 is equal to half of, okay, 7 minus 7k plus 5k plus 10 plus here minus 3, okay, minus 3 into 3 means minus 9, so this is minus 9. So this 2 cross multiplication, this will become 0. So 0 is equal to, see here, minus 7k plus 5k, okay, this is minus 2k, okay, and here plus 9 minus 9, this is plus 1 plus 7 is equal to plus 8. So here minus 2k becomes 2k is equal to 8, k is equal to 8 by 2, so k is equal to 4. For this value of k, all these points are collinear. Okay, So now we'll go for second one. So here second one. So in the same way we will equate it to 0. The area will equate it to 0. So A is equal to half of, okay, x1 is nothing but 8 into y2 minus y3, that is minus 4 minus of minus 5, that is minus 4 plus 5. So plus x2 into, x2 means k here, so y3 minus y1, y3 minus y1, that is minus 5 minus 1, minus 5 minus 1. So plus here x3, x3 means 2, and y1 minus y2, that is 1 minus of minus 4, that is 1 plus 4. So area is equal to half of here 1, so 8 into 1 8. So plus, here plus means, see, k into, this is minus 6k, this is minus 6k. So plus, this is 4 plus 1 5, 5 into 2 10. So area is equal to half of here minus 6k, okay, plus 2. So here area will make it to 0, so that this 2 also becomes 0. So minus 6k plus 2 equal to 0. So 6k is equal to 2, k is equal to 2 divided by 6. So 1s are 3s are. So k is equal to 1 by 3. So this is the value. See exercise 7.3 in that question number 3. Find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are 0, minus 1, 2, 1, 0, 3. Find the ratio of this area to the area of the given triangle. See here, find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are. Means these vertices he has given. Okay, 0, minus 1, okay, and 2, 1, 2, 1, and here 0, 3. Okay, 0, minus 1, 2, 1, and 0, 3. These vertices triangle he has given, and we have to obtain one more triangle, that is by joining the midpoints of this triangle. Okay, this bigger triangle midpoints we are joining here, so that this will be, this is one more triangle. Suppose for example this is A, B and C, so we will call this as P, Q, R. So first we have to find out the coordinates for this P, Q and R. After that we can find out this area. So because we know already the coordinates of this A, B, C, so we can easily find out the area of this triangle. But to find out this triangle area, so we have to calculate first the coordinates of these P, Q, R. Okay. So now first to calculate P, what we have to do? This is the midpoint. Midpoint P means how to calculate? That is P of xy, that is equal to here this x1 plus x2 divided by 2, that is 0 plus 2 divided by 2. This is x coordinate, and y coordinate will be minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2. So here this is xy. So here 2 by 2, and here 0 means 1 0, 1 comma 0. This is 1 comma 0. So P coordinate will be 1 comma 0. So now in the same way Q coordinates is equal to 0 plus 2 divided by 2, 1, and 3 plus 1 divided by 2. Okay. So here 2 by 2, and here this is 4 by 2. So 1 comma 2. So Q coordinates will be 1 comma 2. And R coordinates, that is R coordinates is equal to, see, 0 plus 0 by 2, and 3 plus of minus 1 means minus 1 divided by 2. So here 0 comma 2 by 2. So this is equal to 0 comma 1. So R will be 0 comma 1. So here these coordinates we got it. So now we can calculate the area of this one and the area of this bigger triangle. So first calculate this area of this smaller triangle. So to calculate this area of triangle, what we have to do? See here we have to assume this is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Okay. So now, so let assume this one x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. Okay. Area of triangle PQR is equal to half of x1 means 1, y2 minus y3. So this is y2, this is y3. So 2 minus 1. So plus x2 here 1 and y3 minus y1, that is 1 minus 0. Okay, plus x3 means 0 into y1 minus y2, that is y1 0 minus 2. So here half of, so 2 minus 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1. So plus 1 into 1, 1 plus 0. Okay. So here this is 1 plus 1, 2, 2 by 2, 1. So this area of PQR is equal to area of PQR is equal to 1. Okay. So now we will see the area of this bigger triangle. Okay. So for that, so area of triangle ABC we will see. So which is equal to half of, okay. So here this we will consider this as a x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. So here x1 into, that is 0 into anything is 0, still we will write. So 0 into means x1 into y2 minus y3. Here y2 means 1 minus 3, that is 1 minus 3, plus x2 into, that is 2 into y3 minus y1. Here y3 3 minus of minus 1 plus 1, 3 plus 1, plus x3 into, here x3 again it is 0. Okay, 0 into, this is y1 minus y2. So y1 is minus 1 minus 1. So here half of, okay, here 0 into anything is 0. Here plus 3 plus 1 4, 4 into 2 8, plus 0 into anything is 0. So this is equal to half of 8, that is 2 ones are 2 fours are, that is which is equal to 4. So this area is equal to 4. So what he has asked, find the ratio of this area to the area of the given triangle. Given triangle means bigger triangle. So area of this one means smaller triangle. So ratio of area of, this is area of PQR divided by area of ABC. So this is equal to 1 divided by 4. So this is 1:4. So here A is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 6k plus 18. Okay. So now A equal to 0 we will substitute, so that this will be minus 6k plus 18. Okay. So this cross multiplication, this will become 0. So minus 6k plus 18 equal to 0. So 6k is equal to, okay, 18. So k is equal to 18 by 6. So k is equal to 6 ones are 6 threes are. So k equal to 3. Okay, this is the value. So here exercise 7.3 in that question number 4. So find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices taken in order minus 4, minus 2. So let us this one minus 4, minus 2. So this is A, B, C and D. So minus 3, minus 5 and 3, minus 2, and this is 2, 3. So we have to find out the area of this quadrilateral. So here by dividing this one, by taking diagonal, so this is one triangle, this is one triangle. So we will calculate the area of this triangle and area of this triangle. We know the formula for calculating the area of triangle. So we will add these two areas. So first we will calculate the area of ABC. So area of triangle ABC is equal to, okay, same half, that is here x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3 we will take. So here x1 into, that is minus 4 into, so y2 minus y3, that is minus 5 minus of minus 2, minus 5 plus 2, okay, plus x2 means minus 3, that is this is minus 3, and here y3 minus y1, so minus 2 plus 2. So then x3, here 3 plus 3 into, so y1 minus y2, that is minus 2 minus of minus, that is plus, here half of, so here 5 plus minus 5 plus 2 means minus 3. So minus 3 into, so this is 0. So plus 3 into 3. Okay, half of, so 4 into 3, 12, that is plus. So here plus 0, plus 9. Okay, so 12 plus 9, 21 by 2. This is 1. So area of triangle, this one we will see. Area of triangle ACD, which is equal to half of, here this is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So this is x1, that is minus 4 into, so here y2 minus y3, minus 2 minus 3, plus x2, so here 3 into, so y3 minus y1, so 3 minus of minus plus 2, here x3, so x3 is plus 2 into y1 minus y2, that is minus 2 plus 2, minus 2 plus 2. So here of minus 4 into minus 5, so plus 3 into 5, so plus 2 into 0. So here half of, so 5 4s are 20, that is plus 20. So here 5 3s are 15, so this is 0. So 35, so this is 35 by 2. Okay, so now here total area, that is total area means total, the area of quadrilateral, total area, which is equal to area of quadrilateral, this is equal to this 21 divided by 2 plus 35 divided by 2, so which is equal to LCM 2, so 21 plus 35, so which is equal to 56 divided by 2, 2 1s are 2 2s are, so 2 8s are, so this is equal to 28 square units. Okay, so here exercise 7.3 in that question number 5, you have studied in class 9th, that is chapter 9 example 3, that also he has given. So that also you have studied in class 9th chapter 9 example 3, so that also he has given. You cannot able to tell that we have not studied, sir, that you cannot able to tell that we have not studied, sir, but he has given everything. So that a median of triangle divides it into two triangles of equal area. Okay, whatever the median of a triangle, if the median of a triangle has got two equal halves, so the areas of two halves are equal. So verify this result for this triangle ABC, whose vertices are A 4 6, 4 minus 6, B 3 minus 2 and C 5 2. That is A, here B and C we will take. So A is 4 comma minus 6. Okay, so B is 3 comma minus 2, C is 5 comma 2. So the median means what? The line drawn from the tip, that is vertices, that is altitude of a triangle. So this is the median. So what we have studied, the median will be halves this base, that is this will be the midpoint of this one. So let it call as D. So first we have to find out the coordinates for this one, and after that we have to find out the area of this one and area of this one, so that we have to show that both the areas are equal. That's the question here. So now we will try to find out this coordinate. That is how to find out. Here D coordinate can be find out by using, that is midpoint formula, that is 3 plus 5 divided by 2 comma minus 2 plus 2 divided by 2, so which is equal to 8 by 2 and here 0 by 2. So this is 4 comma 0. So this is coordinates of this point, D point. So now we will try to calculate this area, that is ABD, triangle ABD. Consider triangle ABD and area is equal to half of, here this is x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. Okay, x1 that is 4 into, here y2 minus y3, that is 0 minus 2 plus 2, 0 minus of minus 2. So here plus of x2 means 4 into this is y3 minus y1, that is minus 2 minus of minus 6, that is minus 2 plus 6. Here plus, here next x3, this is 3, then y1 minus y2, that is minus 6 minus 0. So this is equal to half of, here 0 plus 2, 4, 2 plus 4 into, here this is 4, so plus 3 into minus 6, okay. So half into 8 plus 16 minus 6 3 is 18, okay. So 18 means this is 6 by 2, which is equal to 3. This area is equal to 3 square units. So now we will try to calculate this area, that is ADC, that is triangle ADC. Here this is equal to half of, okay. So this is x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. You can take anything, x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So the result will be same. See here x1 y1 4, this is x2 y2, x3 y3. So 4 into, okay, 4 into, here y2 minus y3, that is 2 minus 0. So plus x2 into, that is 5. Here y3 minus y1, that is 0 minus 6, that is 0 minus of minus means here. So plus x3, that is 4 into y1 minus y2, that is minus 6 minus 2. So here 1 by 2, so 4 into 2, this is what, 2 minus 0, okay, this is 0, 2 plus 5 into 6. So plus 4 into minus 8, okay, of, here 8 plus 6 5 is 30. So here 8 4 is 32, minus 32, okay. So 32, this is 38, plus 38 minus 32. Here it is equal to 6, 1 by 2 into 6, 2 1s are 2 3s are. So this is also equal to 3. So this is 3 square units and this is also 3 square units. So here the areas of this one and this one will be same, because this is the median, means the area of these two will be equal, and hence it is proved. Okay, thank you.